Hey guys, my name is Shaaanelle with the 3 A's here on YouTube, 1A in real life, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to this maintenance vlog. We are about to go from crusty, dusty, rusty to hair done, nails done, waxed up, toes done, moisturized, and everything else. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy. Okay, so first we're starting off with waxing. I use the Cerapill wax from Amazon. I normally use the blue all-purpose one, so this one is kind of new to me, but it worked pretty good, I guess. I'm going to leave the link to it for you guys in the description box below with my Amazon store, and I will have everything on the store that I use for waxing, including the actual like wax warmer that I use. But yeah, so we're just doing my face. Yes, I have a mustache. Yes, I got hair in my eyebrows and all of these other places. If I could make it not grow there, I would, but it does, so I'm taking it off. Now I do my Brazilian as well myself. I have a video on my channel, and I'll go ahead and I'll make sure that I enter a card for you guys, or I'll link it down below. But I do have a video for how to do your own waxing at home by yourself, to include how you can wax your own hoo-ha. No, I'm not licensed. No, I didn't go to school for this. No, none of that. I'm just a DIYer, okay? I like to do stuff myself. Next up are nails and toes. So I got acrylic for the first time, you guys. I got acrylic on my big toe for the first time, I want to say in December, and I'm in love with it. Like, I needed that because my big toe, the way that it's just set up, my big toenail specifically, it gets really soft like on the inside, and then it's easy, like it ain't it, okay? It ain't it, and it always stays short. So I got acrylic on my big toe for the first time, and I love it. So I went ahead and I did a fill on my big toes, and then for the rest of them I just kind of painted them. All of the products that I use on my nails to do my toes and my hands will also be on my Amazon store. Now my hands are the worst. I already don't like my hands because I have crooked first fingers, crooked pinkies, and they real bony. So I already don't like them for those reasons, but my hands are just the worst. My cuticles overgrow so much, and then when I cut them off, they start peeling back, and it's just too much going on. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Now this little ball tip that I'm using is literally just to like soften and file down the rough skin around your nails. This is also going to be linked in my Amazon store. Gotta shift it 10
but still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. We don't just join the party. Just don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded, like I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me.
I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I get you what you want, but you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want. I don't want to wait too long.
And this is the finished look on the nails. I just did these matte almond shaped brown nails, you know, just for a little matte moment, something simple.
I don't want to wait too long.
Now today's the next day because I did my nails late at night, so it's the next day, and I'm just about to wash my hair and do a little silky silk press to it. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you can see my hair journey, follow it along with me, and just pretty much see what I'm doing with my hair. Every 3 months I give myself a trim, and I measure my hair just to see how far I've gotten, so make sure that you guys follow that journey. But I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a snippet of me doing my hair, washing it, getting it silk pressed and everything like that. So we can go from this little bird's nest to something way better.
It's only you and me. Fuck is you talking about? All of you and me. Baby, I see you so much in my dreams. We gonna work it out. What is you talking about? Lately I've been looking slow, but I only come up on the drums. Stop me out. So if you ain't the one, find me somebody who's find me a place. I'm running out. That's on me. I'm a hot nigga, check my degree. Know my bitch and my teeth. I came through it like 3. Shit brought like 10. Buddha came through with the E. Rolling all night. Session like green. Shorty, it's only you and me. Fuck is you talking about? Yeah, all of you and me.
Now while my hair dries and before I get to blow drying it and straightening it, I'm going to do my body care routine. So I have the Way body wash, the Melrose Place. This stuff smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, y'all wouldn't even like, y'all really need to try this if you haven't tried it.
But I only come up on the drum. Stop me out. So if you ain't the one, find me somebody who's find me a place. I'm running out.
In keeping with the theme, because this was very close to Valentine's Day, I have the Moroccan Rose Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This scrub, you already know, does what it needs to do, but the Moroccan Rose smells just really sets it off. Like, it smells so good. And next, I have this Raspberry Petty Pebble that I got from Ulta. If you have not tried one of these, please go to Ulta and buy one, because it really is that thing. Like, that Petty Pebble is amazing. And then I'm putting on a foot mask because, you know, we got to start moisturizing and everything. So I got this Patchology foot mask. I've actually never used a foot mask before. It was alright. I probably wouldn't do it again, honestly, because it wasn't hitting like I thought it was going to hit. But it was pretty good. So I just put the foot mask on, and you just like take off the tape and then wrap it around your ankle. I put socks on top of mine so I wasn't slipping and sliding around the house. But yeah, I probably won't get another foot mask like this because they wasn't really hitting. Now to moisturize my body at night, I usually keep it pretty simple. So I just have my full moon water. I basically just put water in a full moon and then I added essential oils like Florida water and just other oils that I had. Sprayed all over my body. And then I'm using the Acai Your Boobies Boob Serum. It's supposed to firm and tighten, but I don't know if it's really doing that. And then I have this Pure Some Sleep Detox body oil. You know, we gotta stay moisturized up. I normally just use a body oil at night, and then during the daytime I'll use a lotion. And then we just gonna roll on some Gucci Boo. Now let's jump into the hair. So I'm just gonna start by blow drying my hair with some Babyliss tools. This little brush is pretty neat. I picked it up from Sally's, and I actually really like the way it works. But I'm just gonna start blow drying my hair. I've got some Color Wow little Dream Coat spray. But if you guys want to see a full-blown tutorial on how I do my silk press, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel again, because I do a hair update. I do a hair update once a quarter, so every 3 months. I go in and I trim my hair. Did I already say this? I feel like I already said this to y'all, but anyway, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel to check out that video. I also have videos that are like tutorials for how I silk press my hair and how I get it real, you know, nice and silky. So make sure you check those out. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys kind of watch a little bit of me doing my hair here.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I can stop doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
I can stop doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how wet it is.
Come up in your mouth, you was speaking good too.
So I put this little flexi rod in my hair. I thought I was gonna do something and have some beautiful curls when I woke up in the morning. Ain't turned out to be so. But I'm gonna show you guys at the end what it actually looked like the next morning. But I'm just gonna cover it up with some stockings. Don't act like you didn't wrap your hair with stockings in the 90s. We was all doing it. So with skincare, I'm using the rice wash from Tatcha. You know we love it. It's another, you know, favorite. Then I'm going in with the Frank Body lip scrub. This is a coffee lip scrub. I got it for Christmas and I actually really like this stuff. So pick that up too. I think my husband got it from Ulta, so check that out. And then I got this Patchology hydrating lip mask. So with the lip mask, I also have never used one of these before. I didn't think I really liked that much. These Pacifica eye patches, I don't really like them that much either. I'm gonna need to pick me up some better stuff from Sephora next time. And then I just put on another Pacifica. This is just a rose little face mask, sheet mask. But again, I need to go back to Ulta because or Sephora, because I don't know what's going on with this stuff that I picked up, but it ain't it. It was not it. I think I got it from my Old Navy. Anyway, so what I'm getting into is rubbing my excess on my hands, so that I can help them, you know, like look a little bit better and start staying more moisturized. And they did look a little better after I rubbed that stuff in my hands, so kudos. Now I am just going to gouache in all of the products from the masks into my skin. I use this little heart-shaped rose quartz because it was, you know, close to Valentine's Day. It was love in the air. And then I'm putting on these cuticle little mask tips because, like I said, my cuticle's crazy. And now we're on to lashes. So to do my own lashes, I used to have the Lashify kit. Well, I still kind of have pieces of the kit, but I decided to try out this Urban Doll to see if it like stuck any better. The Lashify, I don't know why, I just didn't really like the product. So I tried the Urban Dolls. I did not like their lashes though, and Bedroom Eyes. So I'm using my Lashify lashes in B12 and B14, and then I'm going to use the product from Urban Dolls. So this is just kind of like a step-by-step on how you do it. I do have a full review on Lashify, and then I do have a full tutorial as well on my channel with that video of the review. So if you want to see more specifics, go ahead and check that out. I can also just film another video for you guys. You know, I don't mind. But yeah, so I'm just doing my own little lashes here. I've never had lash extensions before. I don't really know how I feel about getting them. I might try them just one time just to say I did it, but I don't know how I feel about it. Like, something about having big lashes on with no makeup just don't feel right to me. So I might see if I can get me a little kit or something to mimic these little wispy cute lashes like these. So maybe I'll try it out one day. If you guys have any suggestions for the St. Louis area, let me know, because that's where I'm gonna be. So yeah, I'm just, you know, doing my lashes. I'm putting on the little primer here. Well, it's not really primer, it's more like sealant. This stuff did get stuck on my lashes a little bit, which is different from the Lashify one. Like, you can see like there's a little clear on the tips of my lashes, so I just kind of brushed that out. I didn't expect it to harden up like that, so make sure you don't go all the way up. But I just brushed it out, and then boom, we got lashes. Yes, we look great. So I'm just showing you guys again, like I mentioned, what my hair looked like when I took it out. It was not giving, it was not doing what I wanted to do. So I did end up curling my hair for Valentine's Day. If you want to see how I got ready for Valentine's Day and our little date, make sure you check out that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.